guys, Andy Grossman here with Pew Pew Nation, and I'm here with my son,
Colton from Colton's Caliber Corner.
What do we got today for him?
The Umarex Avalon. It's an electronic AR style kind of airsoft gun.
Let's check it out. What else is going on with this thing, buddy? Tell everybody what you like about it.
It's got flip sights. Super nice. You can flip them down and up. And also this. Watch this. Alright. And then there's also another fun feature about it when I turn the dial even further. That is a fun gun. This thing is so much fun. Make sure you go check some more out at umarex.com, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and to Pew Pew Nation. See you next time.